Habra Auto Glass, your trusted destination for premium auto glass repair, windshield replacement, and window tinting services, right here in the heart of La Habra, California. With a passion for excellence and a commitment to ensuring your safety, our team stands out as industry experts in the local community. We understand the crucial role auto glass plays in your driving safety. Our certified technicians have years of expertise, ensuring that every repair or replacement meets the highest standards of quality and safety. From minor chips to complete windshield replacements, we use advanced technology and top-grade materials to restore your vehicle's glass to its original strength and clarity. Your satisfaction is our priority. From windshield repair to window tinting, we make the process hassle-free, reliable, and focused on your safety. Looking for professional window tinting? La Habra Auto Glass provides high-quality tinting services for enhanced privacy and UV protection. Join our satisfied customers and experience the difference with La Habra Auto Glass. Trust in our expertise, local roots, and dedication to excellence. La Habra Auto Glass, where safety meets satisfaction. Visit us today for all your auto glass and window tinting needs.